ownership. No, ye de pesika bi e de ama a certain class of people in the society. Now, Edubu his involvement a war video ni mo no. The fact that Yamali talking.
Can we establish the time? Because this video is just around
about 2018.
2018.
Yes.
2018.
And that's a video.
January 2019.
Yes, 2019. Somewhere around 17th January.
This video now,
yes.
Gentleman, deputy minister
of finance.
Finance. Not minister of state.
Yes.
So he was the deputy finance minister. And I just said this thing, of course.
Exactly.
Obibisa, why this video has been kept till now?
Kofi say it is because of the alarming nature of this Galamsey related issues. And the level of corruption.
No. Galamsey is different. They just the title, economic Galamsey.
Yes. Kofi,
just the title, but the video is about individuals in government not even individuals. We are only mentioning in the video.
Yes.
We only see Charles Adubuahin.
But of course, Kofi, there are more to it because we saw a certain Charles Bisu in the Exposé, that is number 12.
There are a different
Exposé. Exposé no number 12.
Yeah.
Build up
yeah.
Now, so what is the reason for the video, the Charles Adubuahin involvement in the video? Okokwaji sika. Sika no okokwaji ye no wan kwose ye man sika. But ono and the call ye say on ne kwakwaye negotiation, open negotiation.
The people radio for oma anhwe video commentary no.
Yes.
Can we give them just 2 minutes recap of the entire video exactly near course?
Yes.
Video ne started by Anas giving us Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ghana for the see so ye to about the man no or so na beginning of the term near my papa Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo started ye na such a wonderful of anything beginning with the NAPCO, with the VHC chairs, Obaya Babi do a point where under Nanado Dankwa FM government, it do baby nature say, I think say IMF deal buy na buying Galamsey started say a take over and all that arrangement and so started say eba. So in that, some of the build up and what they about them.
Yes.
And our baby Abrante Charles Adubuahin eba as the deputy minister
of finance.
Finance
yes.
Say or share individuals. Bia or suppose our shake.
Yes.
Is it Dubai?
Yes.
Dubai, yeah.
Dubai. Until a them Osho on our Facebook page.
Hotel room.
A hotel room. And now in this hotel room, which has a Dubai kwa and where the pictures are frames, wall frames. Yes. And a light is so nice lamp and we pana shed our bonny suit and was shedding inner na tie wa bona pumping na sun chemu and a uhu at for join on Facebook page and to sheko interpreter one you know the video ubi any mama
yes
and on 20 we are I do find the can be also say na be so me there me do me mind FM verse a bit my bent after so this cano
and the good
Kasa do was very brief
yeah
we are beginning of the video ni na but after so started this can go on and was started same
or forthcoming
or
can be any
or can se hunu keka ya ko keka vice president ni nuanu mo do so and it's kwan I did
2020 campaign.
I mean, this is serious.
But
now we so kasanti we dey.
Yes, Kofi did na make any na say. Edubuahin sika no je ye no. Wan kwase ye command bribe. But enkomodi die nimu e na kokofa say jiwe fa ko Akuma FM. Enu ne ba chire wie ye no. E na fe na negotiation started say ekoso. Say one, ye ba bebie bank e wo ha no musi. Na say na obeje. And I say 20%. Now you will need a certain amount of money as an appearance fee for the vice president. And no, and the started say so until me beginning of this kind of man, I didn't see it as a bribe.
Okay.
But later now, some negotiation about some who say a bribe.
Gaun say scanner or the man.
The man they talking. No, me the name the feel say a talking of uncle. I mean say there.
Because o catch say
yes. Oh, quite so the
now quite so the besen.
What I say?
Na nsa bi dey. Eko.
It's a no at that point in the day, it wasn't a bribe. But time and negotiation the bar so wie no. I was started to open up. Eka say onya this amount of money the vice president so as appearance fee. I want to be 20% no. And no and the coffee asem ne buy. But if in all this, wabon for deal women asefo. Me, my major concern right now is that they should start investigating who killed Ameswali.
Okay.
Yes, are they way for few more.
Now you radio
Ameswali. Because the video way Babonte, the video way you trying around 2018. And at 2019 early January. And Ameswali we there. And you ku Ameswali Swali there. Then there's a major concern to start investigating as to who killed Ameswali.
Okay, to crowd there, you are not even looking at them.
Yeah.
Wow.
But Ameswali who no, and they see you started your investigation because Ameswali who ye ne chino. Kofi court was a why you said Debeyo has not been able to establish anything about the death of Ameswali. Court in Yankashi. Family ni nyanka hwe bibia chese bibia nyansi ye enna Ameswali so wu natural death see so to the cab no wu ye
kobo ntuo
I see it is so to the cab no bia kokobo ntuo dia e de de kofa asasem we baaye enna de ntina ye show this video at the timer about 4 years on say 2018 na ye 2022 4 years on enna investigation bia so say akoso say nyankoso Yenya establishing who killed Ameswali.
Okay.
It's my point in the say. Why this kano? Or the year the project, whatever. Wabo bidi wom, she say ya pamono, ya yinedi. And now office of the special prosecutor, I invited no. But me concern, it's not about Sikano Wajino. Since he said the attempt to saw your crofo. Until fire investigating no. Na nipa oku Ameswali see yes ya J freedom justice edia. Yeah, justice system no eye dwuma dia. This is the time I see you who ni poku Ameswali. Say video no betimi aboa dia. Any from because who say documentary no Ameswali there part 1 wom.
Yeah.
All the starting here part 2 Ameswali. Part 3 Ameswali. In fact, so utie video ni ye pa na utie voice ni ye pa. Nipa no ne Adubuahin edi komo no is expected to be Ameswali.
Ameswali. Okay. Azenzo.
Govi my enchati for na special mama chame mame abrewa ya na utie show no pa when you ready to be ade bi obutu ho
yeah dan
my friends you say me chia won so
catch any savage no
I Govi so chia
yeah chia auntie
I we are the friend now Govi, let's get to the main issue no the na me say me hu say the video was shot in 2018
yeah
somewhere in 2018 and where Ameswali was starting this investigation
Akuma FM
and in 2019 Ana yoku Ameswali. Specifically January 16, 2019. Na a Wednesday. Ana mbono tu oku no. So there's a link between Ameswali death and this video. But say o share the ekona classified information kire say after say Ameswali wu ye no. Snippets of the videos got missing.
Okay.
Videos ni dry. It's na omunya it's na video ni delay no. No omunya videos no. Am obi via video ni na. Because now a project now start here all year. It's almost say this is the last Ameswali's investigation. The kokuba bakokobo kwa be tweet ka say
Akuma FM
the IRA. But with time no omuka die bi and we can boom. And san na omudi we ni back out. Inti na e chair no. But Kofi, this said in JB Kano, this thing should give the investigators enough evidence. Say answer same one na say unni ho dance ya utimi twa bi ho na dey den. Now they are telling ho na ama asem na easier. So me, I'm not much interested in the whole Exposé, you know. Personally, I'm quite disappointed. Video no oma ayede, oma hype na bet. And no be bring share names apart from Adubuahin there na eba say we just got fine. But we manage say after
Akuma FM
Adubuahin share no. And perhaps maybe gunmen here then. Eko cool no basa. So we can't specifically say bia Obia or yeah link to video na heading and the Kwame Swally. And the intimate can go in evidence there. But you try one dance here and there. You basically like I say
Omonya investigation.
Omonya investigation.
No you should video any linkage via in the death.
But Kofi, me, I think say this guy, the minister now or you quite naive kakra. One you smart.
Nani anaho.
Nani anaho. So ukwa invest ukwa meet whole shake away less than 40 years. What do you do? One, what na the bedroom?
Akuma FM.
Hotel bedroom.
How?
Knowing very well say the same
one
shake.
for beyond count.
The same shake format na no the year we you.
Kwasi nyantechi. Yeah, them penny for you nyansem bia o.
It won't shake e go meeting a bell should ring in your head to the extent say so smart.
And a one for beyond sumpa nka ho.
Onkwa.
Na kofu na akwakoji $200,000.
Na said when him say $200,000. So oh why not? Many of the occasions I'm moko. The point is that no one him so kwakwaji says kanumpo.
No, but once akwako share
he didn't know. And there was nothing like a promise of
Akuma FM. Akuma FM.
E dey onim say a business
discussing.
Eti e dey ne oba be investment e wo Ghana. Eti e dey ono so be percentage bi a opese nipa obedi na chidi na koseki no no ebi the amount of percentage of pay.
Okay.
Etu tim say e adwuma ministers na die no because en kenya sa enye ono nko na koseki no ho. Eti die na kire say nipa na one ne ko ye no o ma ni nwura room obi na discussion na be koso no nipa ni tie say ko ekum asenso eyekum ana ebi ayekokun a obeku kwa e bra nipa na odi wachi no ko ye no onim ho hwe eti ba bua kire no bo se nipa na aban sa so mu say wa ye hwe ha ma ebi a home minister mu a
Akuma FM.
It shows clear say sa video a ye hwe ministers ne do no ana kofi business a eba Ghana or more percentage wo so.
No we dey
Kofi me na me off floor let me just finish. So Kofi the dynamic can say this video was shot in 2018 somehow. Ahmed was shot Ahmed in 2019 January 16th. It's Kofi there's a linkage between this video and Ahmed Swali's death. That is my point. Me I don't want to go into say or this can and I say because or this kind of myself I'm shopping. Kofi so take video now specifically me go share business partner. Na say me no dey nkomo na so asenso we dey sky we dey shopping. What I say jifa ko shopping.
Akuma FM.
To obi ankobeje.
But me no shake bi akon meeting e won the bedroom da. We in the bedroom. And we have video now the camera was already set.
Oh yeah.
I was soro honom na camera no bo wall no soro. And san no mo ye dey o ma betena say meeting no. But one can say on this sky na nko onye den. On fam bo na onye den. No ma be in the bank no. And for all you know the bank transactions didn't come off.
Na better na but say investigation.
No yes or you can be free for shopping. Say obolo oko baby no be aka say obolo do you for account onje.
But as so on say me adeba kofi be hwe ne say esiden na edubu an hu say Ahmed.
Akuma FM.
O hu say Ahmed. Enti de me so me hwe ne say Ahmed ebeye bibi e de akere ebia allege Ahmed beye bibi de akere edubu ahen ese bia ye ne abeshutu video we ye nya we bia evidence enti meba se ye kire no obi e kire na adwen ese video we say no investigators na ehwehwe Ahmed ewu ni mu no on betimi the video we say alenke ni wu no no ma hwehwem ni ehu nipa property a okun Ahmed enti sa enti de me hwe ne say e de na Ahmed beye a ebia sa video e yampa se a true video we say na ebia nam so ma Ahmed wu ya e de na Ahmed beye ama ebia se ye edubu ahino ana ebia enam ne so ema ebia Ahmed wu ya obebo pama yakun ebia Ahmed
which you are legend
allege and then be kaka
deductive analysis but you are not in any way suggesting say
ebia
no
edubu ahino kun Ahmed but suggestion ana me
they can say
me say so come me end there
me na ye bi fro na mama edru so na wakasa the woman say obolo Ahmed Swali doesn't need to do anything for Adu want to know say why investigating no Adu wa hin na kasa na ti bua be hu ni say no some meeting am ko ye
Akuma FM
after which obafra obi ama
because
da kofi da biti o e dey atene na beba ni team say anas nkrofo
to boss me ba
ana we me chere na
obolo me ba the business was supposed to be say obi be bank or Ghana after say all this kind of baiting we or this kind of onya on record we no they didn't show up again What I say, Omunya we are show up a bio.
But say nipa na show up that mean say ebia oye anas team.
But
e dey na ebia Ahmed Beye. E dey na ebia Ahmed Beye ma Edubu ahen adwuna ba so say ebia anas nko.
Because Ahmed onya she Edubu ahen na smart. Obedi do so say da bi.
But they might not even know.
But the issue is Akuma you shoot 2 video in 2018.
Yeah.
But between 2018 to early January, Ahmed Swali Wuye no. I mean, no investor would make that obe rashes or baby investment within that set period.
But when him say, there's these several allegations say after.
Yes.
Kwasi nyan techi die no.
Yes.
On say na ebinu kra ka ho na omo wie no there were course.
Yes.
Ama omo ba be tuai on side. Emi you omo kra ye den. Efrim. There were these allegations.
Yes.
And the betimi kra ba say bia there were some say a team.
Of course, yeah.
What I say announce but can say team back padibi anu ka wo ho. Oye kwasade kra mo omo epamo no.
Yeah.
Mokaya. Nti betimi kra ba so bia team no obi ko team ho say senior. Ya ye useyo. Nti fa we bibi we bra na bi kura video do kura no what I say
yeah
if you see will be an opportunity to
of course Kofi
what I say enti a lot enti no crabit man raise say enti no mo ye say
enti dey go room no obs cannot
what I say
enti e dey na ba ye ma Canada Japan openly oba bonti bet na national television so be ka say this ameswale be kuno
no
Akuma FM.
Yeah. Say I'm a comfort. Na muso ya mumbo no
I think we are going back into the substantive issue which is in the court. I don't think that question will be relevant now.
No, sure.
Because that typical case in there. That's why at the law continue whatever Kennedy Japan might have said to whatever discussion that might be going on. But the point is that in all, to say, you bet me a translate in commerce team. Now among us, Ubiako, Jack, say, Crown SU, until there is there are
several things. Mahama Ford expedition.
Akuma FM.
Alleged bribery. Minim say if that same rule applies to ministers there. Because they saw your man you don't accept gift from people.
Exactly.
I mean, say the same Adena, the same. In
terms of ministers, it should not in course of your duty, and not a gift that will influence your decision in operation of your in decision.
So this is the point.
What I say?
Say and you say
the caveat is that gift should not have anything to influence a decision that you need to make in your capacity.
It wasn't personal. It was in relation to abiding the economy, which of course you were the minister, the deputy minister of finance
at that time.
And you flew out of your minister of state, minister of states.
That time what that's what you
But I'm still touching on the death of Ahmed Swale. Classified information say Ahmed Swale wu ye no. Sa video ya abai. People targeted the video got missing. A train of Muninia snipers to kick boom. Meaning, say, the person shot Ahmed Swale to evade this kind of video or to prevent the
Akuma FM.
But I said, this video might not be the only.
Of course, go video
because say investigation. Papa we nkwan no mu ka ben akraba mu.
It's because my disappointed in Gofi.
To the why disappointed.
Oh come on, my disappointed in the video. Omo over hype video look kraka. At least you should have come out with just Aduba Hindian nkwan na who say Aduba air corrupt. But say o try say na Galamsey economy na say na oba ye no kraka na o try say oh say we ameswale nkwan ana sorry Aduba nkwan na video no.
But anyway across serious to investors. Our Ghana's economy.
Exactly.
Investors
my point is that you should have gone ahead and done the Adubahin side and to make us know that this is what is going on at the presidency. But I said, what I say I do with Galamsey economy and say thinking some government officials be almost Galamsey fine. Perhaps the Galamsey economy is just heading. But almost as blow your mind off. To the extent say you just say no be unless say be I'm a man for saying say Anas is corrupt. Perhaps you go ya say credit Japan mu nyina
Akuma
ebi a manfo ka ho beto motua am ye yomudi afrim
Obolo maminti
Kofi na o say headline na say so ka say Galamsey economy no it could be say sa video aye hu ebi foforo a ehu a Galamsey no eka dabi so ntimi nyina bum sa kakra and o say wase free deputy for no so eti bia akesefo no big fish no ana bia wo be catch them out eti sa de ye hu ni Kofi me de yade a ese taking it serious because enipa pina na wo hwe video we see
Akuma
so wom ya ene ye hu se de enoma sitie pote but anas yenka se wa yade se nkenya anas anke hu sa video we see enoma ekoso a government officials government for na nkasa no Kofi omudidi gu Ghana for abodu sem enti ebewie no yentimi fast Ghana so nye project bia wa Ghana for ho betima yen ha wo mo in terms of sikasem
Anas ho aye den achen how many ministers
80 ministers
of course Kofi
the
80 MPs
80% me ayana Anas aye few men na wa ya de
oh wa ya de
Anas ya mamoni yo
unim we mebo akufo de tiri so
ade
about resignation letter the bro what our menje senka or resign earlier right and ka video we buy ya anka enye hu bebre sa
because ono kra we kan
ono kra resign otifie dead goat the onso sikan na akufo ado woti honom ni pay say my resign ejuma minti nye bio because abom doing too much we say oh mo fa say
but probably
me na your campaign manager ma papa inti no
we sure say na do so nim say this video is coming out.
He didn't know.
And then no so be no but because
he didn't know. He would have accepted the resignation letter.
Videos be ho no mo before say Anas be premier sa video we. Say na pa mo cha say do boy.
Akuma FM.
No, the kind they any by the script.
Of course.
The transcript in the by.
Script in the
no, or the transcript in the by. Set transcript in the basa a video in the basia or transcribe it.
Yes.
No, they are quite command those people concerned.
Exactly.
And or transcribe it, they command the office of the president. So this is what is coming to more or less as the video. The video in the by and sana.
Yeah, pamono.
Yeah, pamono. Yes.
Very well.
The transcript in the by, no. And now president who here.
And even go after transcript, for security reasons, the president has the privilege to watch the video.
Oh, sir,
ahead of the premier.
They are fan of hunting in Adi or Befe. Who can question and take President Atamis, the Atamis campaign. I am hand and hands. I'm wanting Ghana Revenue Customs video. But that is so serious. That is so explosive. And why you have custom officers within 3 years you have built the houses. You cannot build the houses within the last 2 years. Many of you, we don't say that, don't build houses. But when you do it in that order, it is so serious. You don't do that.
And I think that I should let you know, I'm really upset. And I think that I should let you know. I was waiting for the Anas video to be shown. And that confirmed the reports that I've been having all along. Officers of customs, you are Ghanaian citizens. You have to help us to build a better Ghana. But if this is the kind of behavior, this is the kind of attitude that you have, you are not helping us in any way. Indeed, today, I came to express my disgust and my revulsion at the way some of you are helping to erode the benefits that we are making or we have to give to our people. You are in charge of revenue. Every day we hear reports about malpractices. People collecting bribes with careless abandon. People who think that they are entitled to take bribes. How can we get rid of corruption? I'm not saying that nobody should appreciate the work that you are doing. But when you make it a condition, somebody should give you some money before you perform your duties. I've known customs for quite some time. I was Commissioner of Internal Revenue. And the Anas video confirmed the fears I've had for quite some time. Look at yourself. I want to talk very frankly to you. Somebody joins customs, 2-3 years, the person is putting up a building. The person owns a car. In what organization will it take you 3 years to build? And it is not the exception. It is the rule. Very often, my Minister for Finance is worried about the fiscal gap that we have. And your duty is to collect, to display transparency in the way you operate.
So that was the former president, the late Professor Mills. And he's so rest.
And he was one of the fantastic action man.
Very emotional.
Oh yeah.
And or touch it, but very bad. In Ghana, we are sure so man.
Akuma
That's Exposé.
Babe nyina be mpanifo pa na ye mpanifo aye ni mo mo di ani pa dia
Exposé for Exposé man for no cry ntia kai say ono kwa we corrupt kwambo chen mpanifo na.
Tell no allegations.
That's be allegation Kofi. But
my point is that sa Nas Exposé nye na eba.
Yeah.
Or started war as a charity home was a orphanage home bibisa.
And I didn't
baby dream. Kofi omo involved e wo videos ni mu. Ya yo mo den.
Oh, but judges need the baby be me.
Kofi, is it
judges
Kofi, no, e wu no wo ne de e yo no na wu. Ono na pe na wu. The reality is that it's your chill nas ye you there. Is it the final, is it the best solution?
We don't prosecute.
Exactly. Because judges here mo kokwaje mpochi na sefue. And they did the kokwaje the same adaka na kwofo ba mu gina mu ni bia. And they catch and say what the mind dream and answer why your mind them bia. Kofi Naka, that would be a bigger lesson.
Now condemn na so two email
exactly judge no akwaje appoint no ani nua judge ni na triada kanu a wudi asem no enti ebe kwan je
when the law no emran de chewa
enya law sa law ya na judge si gina so a omo so edema verdict enti sa law ne kwan Kofi ye nkofo bebre omo gina sa law
ne judicial service committee no omo de pam some of the judges
Kofi Kofi say ana sa anas ne way say important
case say de pam omo no. And like you use grounds now and
the to prosecute
you mu bia Kofi Naka menye sure say na academy bi say be
obi say so we ska e wo Japan ye bo otuokun
yeah
we ska e wo China a ye hangel
yeah
we ska e wo US a ye sentence we ska e wo Europe ye sentence we ska wo Africa e ye Ghana ye celebrate
of course go face
the presidency
ye celebrate
it na kasa dey way ya pa much as Dubu ahi. You say Office of the Special
Akuma
Prosecutor investigations. Kofi, look, Office of the Special Prosecutor. You the question entachi dey you say court. Kofi akọ court sa. We haven't been able to establish anything. Question entachi dey by President Nankasa by his own words. Say go and arrest question entachi. But you go arrest question entachi. Question entachi was rather invited. Arrest different from invitation.
But now that's why
at assembly court. Aluta dey that's what court. Aluta dey so several cases upon cases now na court. Is that the best way to
phone lines on 44 on this video. Mwa munya adaje ahwe on Facebook page akoma yegusukra yini sisi a 0322 Anas Exposé video no wa unya hwe ya yeyi ma hwe yegusu so ayeyi ni sisi a your Facebook page no. Are you surprised? Are you disappointed? Say na we see who discussion oh my Ghana corruption katasane proye from the presidency up to the that last person me no etu o man ebe yini 03224980359803 I'm starting from Orovi. JB, Ghana. Can we have a Ghana that one day bit like like
at least some sectors of the economy should be well.
Yes, yes, my Ghana be
depending on your mindset and the leaders are benya.
Okay.
We should be able to get
so
a radical
in the next
leader.
20 years.
In the next 20 years, but sisi ano ohwe ntete ya ye fa mu ede kwa konyini na akofi
and that's when he
but ye see nya obi a leader okadini oye radical
no ba best stand the mindset of
Ghana even if see you practicing democracy now democracy no will have its limits na yet me make sure say e betumi sustain our case na nya obi a obeka say this is our direction this is where we want to go.
Okay, as so Ghana do we see say you need that so
and that's what say be Kofi until say Akufo-Addo be the president na me gidi Ghana mu pa with Akufo-Addo track record kumi preko he's been one of the most cited lawyers in Ghana. I'll uphold can I say our constitution higher Kofi na mo gidi
now we gidi say
oba only
oh okay
Akufo-Addo the oba nka omo ma corrupt ko beti wo the main reason people had energy and hope in Akufo-Addo say Akufo-Addo is no nonsense man.
Corrupt. He has never been corrupt and he will not be corrupt.
Put a bank bet much Jerry too. Most of Jerry omo no money Jerry fall out and had hope in Akufo-Addo say oba
Akromfo
no
because some obedi president na Jerry cry enjoy the immunity cry
but Kofi oba na oba plagiarizing no there's something wrong somewhere. I was starting a year compromised. I was starting a year no one can think no Kofi.
Papa no ye di hwemo.
Kofi me said Akufo-Addo pa it me di me hwemo no pa na di Kofi. Me akuma better di president ah. Obasisa no ma.
Oh I see. Now we Akufo-Addo fan.
Na me penasem.
I see.
Say because kumi preko Satam Jerry time na kan bi no. Ono kwa timi gina e fra yituma. Eko gina mu
Ghana.
Come on Kofi he was bold.
As Attorney General when a criminal libel law
what I say
he repealed the criminal libel law no beer to me can answer and now in opposition you were having more than 100% hope Nado ba ali enu ne tenor of end of tenor of office na nanka wasesa ne ma
nanka with the sanity aba system no corruption ni nyina afrim corruption enya wakono
na sisi ya
dey Kofi na wo bitimi di boni afana ko presidency enti Kofi question me say enti say Ofuriata or resign ade na besi so ade chana o kasa resign anti Akufo-Addo you Ofuriata di park Kofi dey na besi what I say so corruption so say wasesa enti na o ka say ni anu mu ka say Kofi nyi na ni anu enti no me sa question na obisa me de Kofi say me permit say adwane akọ
because of Akufo-Addo
last one so call baby to say Ghana Police Service amanfo asan la ya omoji police criminal record no enye bibia o
omo di two kwan
they say we say passport publishing because I alarming nurses say two kwan doctors say two kwan e dwane Kofi e dey na just Ghana be yi what the last one Transparency International for ade on buy the most corrupt institution police second office of presidency third judiciary fourth parliament
GRA and fifth year
it's Kofi na who bisa me say question go bisa Ghana be ya until me can say Ghana be o some member was kwa Ghana be o say no akuma on radio I'll never say Ghana enye
akuma mpa de
Kofi
akuma who bisa me say Ghana be ya make catch say ye benya leaders a o ma be di Ghana so omuma eda so tiasi pa na ye hwe nim se Ghana ba be ya Kofi Ghana nyeyi
oh really
ti o se Ghana be ya eni kwase e mu bia ne papa ne nana abe panyini bi wo Ghana ha kwan e ma no be di Ghana so because e ba ne sa nkrofo e Kofi e free first republic ebe nyina sa nkrofo no a ombeye ministers ombeye mpanifo e Ghana ha omada so tetiase omunana no da so tetiase ya yes petese sa nkrofo na na Kofi omba be die so ne de Ghana
are you aware say so ne be koso because when you even go to India there's a division there are some class of people we here you are called to be questioned
yes
why we in India there are a class of section of people are omo family no e na eye rich so free baby nothing be here you are called to be questioned and investigated how can you be able to break that gene and in every society there won kofo a omono eru Bush na ne papa nya president ɔno nso bɛyɛ president all president ɔman ni nyinaa wɔn mpanimfoɔ abɛdidi no ɔmo ana edi there are few and a free outside ebewura ring him there's a circle the NDC MPP a ring
but Kufuor na ne papa nye president
but
be president
ne papa I'm not talking about presidency but you have people whose lineage have once upon a time managed to rule the country in one way or the other you are talking about Ghana, yes, set Ghana.
Yes, but
they set up Ghana.
Of course.
Once Jerry John Rollins and Kromanum time, Omon set Kwame Nkrumah Omabedi MP. What? So Jeriba Onye MP. Rollins neba one day Rollins ba beni ne manu neba so Mahama neba ni nemu abo so no so abenya
ne papa so kura no
John Mahama ne papa Emmanuel Adama was a senior minister. What? So wo bia mention ministers omo and omo na omo nyina minister ya last wo ba hey ne wo fare national security minister bi owo wa don fi
Collins Adomako
Kwadwo ban redu ke no wo fa asere Kwadwo ban a obe ya MP kanda pa napo enye ni nuane ne wo fa no nyina ne Kofoɔ ne mpanimfoɔ bubodi akoto afiriye ne papa so obi a wawura the helm of affairs of the country no omo na lineage no apanda kwate say no mo a ye free nkurase ya ye di ben it will take divine grace and send the ababa penitete wura ne yenso wura wi a ne yenso ye de ma no ye den so that is how the society is where they are. The poor will continue to be poor, and the rich will continue to be rich.
But Kofi, you bet must sense our perception, no. Who say some Kofoya so na epiepio mama whatever ananka. Ya here. Day so will be a ono no e wo twen ba
wiye Kofi Dwuma ba na kokko akware na dan kwa Kofi Ado ba
so
say no munim ho hwe
ebe kakra no bo se be kakra no omo ba na ebedi Ghana so Kofi it's about time wa e say ye Ghana fo na e wo from no ye twene ye hu say
ye peska na Kofi bi
so what you say na san krofo no so Kofi omunim oman ne hawan kasa because the otie kura na se no obi a ono ne papa ya Kofi Ado obi a ne papa ya Mahama ono no onim ahokere on papa no ma piske gu watam ana de ama omo ni tigana fo esu no omo bre no sankrofo ne nte odi so kase Ghana ni ho kire wa sankrofo no onima ho kire
se ho nhyran kire da efinya san hyran ni utirimu
dabi
sebe onpo wo so kwa ho kire mo na otimu se da bi o se me yesei o se me di gare be sei o se me yesei eti se so wo se kana wo se akomo ne da odi mo here otiwe ankokoma de da ankomo se da bi ska me ngine da what I say?
Now was $1,000 who can have trash it.
Me physical.
What accounts?
Any accounts crown. You add the finish to it. What I say? Over to us will become a lack of German.
Aquabia for the first time in life we nya 10,000. Now and I do. We you to the bed so no sorry no his carrying him sa o sorry ana e dey asere mpa bo anim no dey atoro kokko so na tese afi ade che o despite no papa say mu bro let's go for mo na mama be come ho na me da kro enye abeka ska say escampo bre abeka escampo
music affairs or drug
enti am za dan ya zo menya 10,000 bia to moto na me da
enti go fi say so that is how come and do da yempe obi a ayomfo bi a commanding da sebi onim how to
ayomfo no so ba afi no obepe ne de yenti ana small boys no university ba ye okwa ko horo ne ka akra na 25,000 e da ne ka
ono ayomfo ana ayomfo bo so akrofo eno no ye fama but what is a ban ready say he was from a humble
Akuma F.
What means ayomfo Asante Achama Ogo up to now ban ready busu afie I kind of saying this one but now call your cromfo and commitment you know be brave but Charlie that man was so urban integrity here then your integrity Kofi there be a makasa same way our integrity and na me ho kire no your kasa integrity Kofi me hu ha me siba kan chi ye mudie ne said you say nketi boy din pa ho ban no e hu hia your juice ke e be di nko aho but say wo ye panyin na say wo he integrity ya go fi there is no way say you be now
03224980359803 Ghana ne ye koso wa he video ni bi sisi a on akoma 87.9 FM Ghana betima ye nyina kwan be ne be fa so be ye oman ni good morning
Kofi Asante Eni.
Agogo sigo na wo kan untwi kan bi mu ana.
Kofi o ze mo Kofi me di wa chifu be bia be ko bia.
Me da se.
Eti mi sori ala pana se Kofi me ntiwa. Mi ti ni yeri o. Problem ni na lu no. Ah nra mi ami ni aje bi wo tutu bi ma mi wo radio so.
Sa. Enra wo so aye den.
Kofi my friend na me ka se ko mu agua mi ni e je bi oju o je bi su anti bi da. Wa dem fro ko. Mo wa ka se ni. Kofi ye na kwada so sa. Enti ma pa Kofi ye sia ye di we ti sa ye ni me ba pa wo ye Kofi ye ni se wo nya kwan wo ka wa asma be ka. Ye ba Kofi wo so mo ye se ye ka ya asma ye be ka. Enu kete je bi su won sia sa bi ni fri wo. When I do your money, you sa. You so the other class of Nazi did you have million pounds. So let me come from this more to be a million from you. Kobe, what's my other two days?
Akuma FM.
Let us say, as well as Omu di esu na wo nye sika wo anu kosa na ka telefone na de di esu kosa ni enu se ya kosa kwa ko de ni enu mu se ya anya ba ne de Kofi enu kru tu waso kan no ntro bie ni na ye guna wo so aye wo do aye Kofi Ghana pa bitvi aye ye se ni obi se die Kofi Ejane be so the sanye mano se ye Ghana fo nyina ya antisa adi nangu
Akuma FM.
Okay, good afternoon. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, on your crowd. Monja the next caller. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Matthew.
Yeah.
1935.
Morning to you.
The ambassador mechanic. He said, the amambo ya koyeno.
Akuma FM.
Or can't you say? Whatever, backward never. Nano Sotono, you are sharing here to the aircraft, the aircon and your papa. It is NCP, NDC. Oh, money na young Flagging Fufon, na. Yes, sir.
Okay, Medasi, good morning. When you?
Good morning, Kofi.
Yes, sir.
This is Dan Suku in you.
Mamintio.
AK watch dog. That's it. I entrona. I will go see the wood tackle. James in a yano crack. And I do ban or chat here can remember what. Akuma
FM.
And no,
they were not good in Akuma. And I say Ghana man. Don't know Katena. Yeah, someone was Ghana of MPP in Akuma. Ghana is in Akuma. It's been an offer. I don't know say I'm putting free. Yenya, then you see two about not a year penny or you and I didn't back. Penny bow on the scanner come. No other check. Papa shall party say, you better access channel. Oh, yeah, this kind of good account to now cow more bladder. No, yeah, or I did that or money at the call when we need it. Yes, once I time is quite kind. My Ben,
Akuma FM.
And so, crying penny for you, maybe fear. What's it? Almost a bit about the difference. The military, since you're basically penny, I mean, you see cat. Then shall do not open anything. Then you have for Obama and offer me that I've got community and a piano of most. And I'm sure.
Okay, good morning. Hey, I go. Obedia, mammy. Ne kwan fetching will be o kwan fetching will be fetching will be our assembly ho
Akuma FM.
Mami ntiwe nyame ne hene
could be. Now, no more about the Mentia with the young for Georgia come. Georgia come, you will be on.
Why am I sorry about Precope, Mini Precope?
A from place, and now, Minty, a Mentia, and now, Minister of the Laki, my mother, about me, and I'm a local Piapian, so 8 years. Uncle. Yaraba, not more can be Akuma FM, and now, I don't know, and now, in Funa, Okoye. A branch, I said, yes, one year of my Ghana, obitually after my Ghana. You call to the idea, you are confident to see a good blue, and the idea, and not another year, and not a confident to see about the blue. So I here. If we know, yeah, will you? You will accept what I will need in the panic. Because for me, I say in the pan every second. If you again about a dear term and a yana one in a car, it didn't know more can one young Ahmed Tuali. Yeah, Akuma FM. One would not to be clear who the be any euro if you are a buyer. So also use the more control. Now, again about my sister, busy and a petrol, yeah, petrol, the Pacho Ayanokrana.
What's it?
My sister, busy and a petrol, yeah, petrol.
Omatiso 187 pesos.
Now, again about Turkey can woman to you, Darby, because no one so, and I will say, I can come pen and phone, and we will take a diesel, any petrol yet.
I said, baby, out. Tell you, is it 2 minutes? Yes, I did. Akuma FM.
Free and Opacusi and Adjoy better. So I here. I spoke kind of a petrol, went to the crowd. Person can almost better. And the Akuma will not be for car 40 pesos. To come and work at a for car 70. 72. I can't crave in AM morning. So it's a person there. I didn't think I can tell you, Mukan, you went to the crowd. Woman to better, woman to be. Now, at the end of an hour, can be different. A Maba mobile Saya, Mukudi, president at Cameron. At the end of me, a father, when I make a choice of Bona, Akuma FM, more as and Crawford. As I say, woman to take your bones and Crawford, social media near that.
Matern on your cancer, Uncle, and Eddie, dear Trim. Good morning. Yes, sir. Hello, good morning. Hello, morning. Hello.
Akuma FM.
When you're ready. Good morning.
Kofi Mutonka.
Yanko.
Good morning.
Morning.
Kofi Ghana the bit me. But I want to say this you book them when you me say. So no sure. So dear and 2 new about to them can but this year. If you mukula believe. So and the young man so and come more. Ghana and to me. So who bet to be able to be the fortunate. Who can no be obedient to no also so do to train and so now my work now yes and why kwasia yin na kabomu dia Ghana dia ebetuma ye na kofi de to so mienu agwaro fle o fi kwa mo
Akuma FM
eyi fle ya wakati na no di na tem mo nkasa
emfa nusia. Good morning, when you hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Eva Joedi.
Mr. Kofi Kofi.
Aye.
Ewa fi me paso asamba akopɛ na meka.
Okay.
Anas ɛkwan ofa so ye na dwuma no. Obi a won pɛ anas edwuma no bia ayi obi ososo corruption so. Hwɛ Kofi o ye man ya enya abusinti.
Aye.
Sa asem bia nsɛnkyerɛ for car yes evidence for it.
Akuma FM.
Anas so so ko na o the evidence ba. We accuse anas say anas so corrupt. Kofi na take case no. Onim say nipa bi wo anas bi benu ma anas ko ya wanje bribe.
Aye.
Enti say yes anas eso nipa ha ada na nipa no so bi so wo nya omo eye nipa no usu ene oban ene nsem a ya keka fa ho enti anas approach wa the way we sit here no let it be natural enti anas we sit here ni anas so be 5 for mani ma Ghana be yi Ghana so ko fi na obi say be yi the problem na no say the constitution
Akuma FM
enti for ma ba no Rollins na constitution because we so da ban enti no ya constitution e be silva no afi lawyers o ma ba o mo ana o mo kase tia constitution no je mi yakọ na na do aban
constitution na de ko parliament MPP for antrim mobile and money first people I say ka constitution you to but politicians na e favor mu ti no e bia ye ko ana pa ye friend see as say constitution na of akofi Ghana ni da me nya me nya.
Okay, me da say hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kofi Asante.
But when you
we me do adu swame magazine me dia na simu nkungu
mami ntio
mami mbo abaso na me
Akuma FM
yo bia na ko ponkano Kofi ano pay ye kanyina ne se de na me nwa yi ekan obeka ya onim se wiase ye wom yi okoto dira ye na ye wo kurase ye sum da di fidie na yi odi nam ene etoso na fidie no nam na ba fa na ai fidi aboa na ba fa nam na fidie na ye dey ayi no Kofi Ghana ka da ye mesimia me ye me de me ye the first day na Kofi edibe 3 weeks na unim me ko ye no Kofi na me dibufu
Akuma FM
fa mamia ana mo nche me kwanye ntia me de ne maya ka me ma mate nti afi o mo pani no wo se me de aban ka nti na me de na chesa na bisa se e ka pe na me de aban afi o mo sere sa na me tina be 1 hour 30 minutes na mo de share me nsa na nas ahunu sɛ yam penfo no Kofi o kwa akɔpɛ adwuma o ni adwuma yɛ no Kofi me se office ho do bi wɔ hɔ gye sɛ o tue sika ansa na yɛ faw adwuma yam penfo yɛ mo de dam penfo yɛ ano yɛ de otutu o aban adwuma no nyina Kofi bɛpɛ me ɛda so yɛ adwuma nti na se fa nkrɔmfo yɛ saa ne no we na akɔkye adobo ahe akyɛ ase hwan a
Akuma FM
yɛ adwuma yi asa mo makwan na abrante ni yɛ adwuma sɛ de ya mampeni akufo adon so kan ye no o se announce kwan ya ofa so ye adwuma no obedi o mampeni a ene de wodi o mampeni announce chi wo no ankasa ni fiefo di a ene mo se announce wonye na adwuma yi masa.
Okay, me da say good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, how are you?
But you could have people sir.
Mami ntio.
Yeah, masa Kofi wo bu atam na me ka che wo nefe wo dia wo pa MPP and this system no munyai na mu tu obamo ye wo dike
Akuma FM
na mu ke Ghana no eye ya ye ka che wo ne Ghana e be ye na ye nyam penifo na wo bu di ani mu no
Me da say 0322498036988037. Good morning.
Hello, good morning, Abadagatia.
Yeah, how are you?
I just confess and you, John Muhammad Dubai, and Kanikajetia.
Mami ntio.
Ni chama regional chama na nakosi. Me be set about pen. And to say na ai o ma period da ku fugu o ma na. Enti dan ku fo don ko be nyoma pe na ba be du o ma mu ana. Ada na bu o ma ka.
Akuma FM
Ya kwa kaso o mo se ka ya ka se tie pe ni bio. Me mo ye kira ya wi ya kira pe ni fo. O mo nja ya piano na na fo se bomb. Yire mu se ejina ayira won ko ada entra lo pa ya to o kwato a wutumi to abamo so na mu biku ya mu se na makra bodi aba mu kra wani ayi na twinam na twie mu kra bi mbra na mu kra.
Me da say good morning, when you? Holly?
Hello?
Yeah, when
Unkwan kundio medwa do offenso.
Mami ntio.
Kofi Asante. Ghana betimi ayi pa. Na Ghana be yi a.
Akuma FM
Ye to abawi a omunyi politics influ mu. Ye hu se wo betimi ayi adwuma no wo ye MPP ni. Ye fa ni ye adwuma. Wo betimi ayi adwuma wo ye NDC ni. Ye fa ni ye adwuma. Kofi Asante ye di we ye adwuma. O ma ni be yi o. UK ye ni mbisa o. Se we wo political party we me ya campaign wo ye triamenti ni ma reni. Ndi o nim de bi wo e bi adwuma we mu a me mfa no.
Okay.
Ghana beti wa kone ni.
Women Ghana be ya agyesie nyina ya pom den ejina so. Nti agua.
Akuma FM